I'm going to teach you a hack for making poached eggs in bulk. We'll start with a 2:1 ratio of water to vinegar. That for every 2 parts of water, I use 1 part of vinegar. I'm using a mix of white distilled vinegar and apple cider vinegar. I like the blend because apple cider vinegar adds a bit more flavor than white vinegar alone. Next, we'll season the water with a pinch of salt. Then we'll add our eggs to this mixture. The vinegar helps create a barrier by setting the outside of the egg, making it easy to lift out with a slotted spoon and transfer to gently simmering water. Look at that, you'll notice a slight skin forming on the egg surface. That's when you know it's almost ready to poach. I recommend starting this process about 30 minutes before your party begins. This is the perfect heat level. You want small bubbles gently rising, not a rolling boil. Now, let's pull the first egg we prepared. I keep a towel nearby to blot off excess moisture. Place the egg on a plate, sprinkle a pinch of salt, and let me show you how perfectly cooked this egg is. Beautifully poached,